Hello composers, Mike here. How do you slow down or even speed up an audio clip in Logic Pro X to create a really cool effect? Let me show you right now. I will also give you a bonus tip in the end of this video. Alright, so I will start by simply dragging in a loop here from the Apple Loops browser. So we have this now. So the way you make a fade in on this is using the fade tool and then hovering your mouse here, adding a fade by left clicking and dragging like so, or a fade out like this. But this is the trick. You hold down Control on your keyboard while you hover your mouse here at the beginning or the end. In this case we want to slow it down, so it's the end, and then you can left click and choose slow down here. And now if I use the fade tool, like so, listen to what will happen now. It will actually slow the audio file down here. And also, you can actually do this on the opposite side, speeding the audio up from the beginning of the clip. So you have to hold down Control on your keyboard, change it to speed up in this case, and then do the fade, which looks like a fade, but it really isn't. It's speeding up like this. And now here's my bonus tip for you. Instead of using the fade tool here, I recommend that you add a click zone, which you do in the menu, Preferences, General, and Editing, and here you will find Fade Tool Click Zones. So activate this and you can actually hover your mouse at the top part of an audio clip like this, and you will get the Fade Tool icon like so. Now here's an extra bonus tip for you, and I recommend that you zoom in for this one because you want to be more detailed, and that is you do not have to either fade or do the speed up or slow down effect in a straight line like this. You can actually control the curve here. And you do this by, instead of hovering your mouse here at the top where you get the fade icon like so, you go further down on the line and the icon changes. And now if I left click and drag, you can see that I can change the curve of this fade or speed up or slow down effect. So you can start slower and then go up, or the opposite if you want, like this, compared to this. Please like, share and comment on this video to support my channel, and I will see you in the next video, my friends. Check out my complete video series on Logic Pro X tutorials and tips here on my channel. Learn and master Logic Pro X to boost your music composition and production workflow.